Assalamualaikum, dear student. In my today lecture, we will discuss about the classification of amino acids on the basis of R group. In my previous lecture, we have already discussed the classification of amino acid on the basis of nutritional value. So, in my today lecture, we will discuss the classification of amino acid on the basis of R group. First of all, we will discuss the concept of polarity of amino acid, which is very essential to understand. Those amino acids which can interact with water and make bond, mean hydrogen bond with water, those amino acids are polar. And those amino acids which do not interact, which cannot interact with water and cannot make bond and do not have free site to make bond with water, they are non-polar. So, those amino acids which are non-polar are known as hydrophobic because they cannot interact with water, therefore we call them that they are hydrophobic, mean they repel the water. And those amino acids which can interact with water, can make hydrogen bond with water, we call them hydrophilic. They like water. Okay, now let's start. We will discuss about the classification of amino acid on the basis of R group. We divide all the amino acid on the basis of R group in 5 categories. Okay, now let's start. Non-polar aliphatic R group, polar uncharged R group, aromatic R group, positively charged R group, and negatively charged R group. Okay, now we will discuss one by one. So, non-polar aliphatic mean single carbon, double carbon, not aromatic, only aliphatic. Carbon hydrogen bonds are in a chain, okay, not aromatic. So, we will memorize their name in the form of mnemonics so we can understand them very easily. Okay, so let's start. My girl is very ashamed. मेरी लड़की बहुत शर्मीली है. Okay, it is very enjoyable word. It is very enjoyable sentence. My girl is very ashamed. So let's start. My M for methionine, G for glycine, is I for isoleucine, very V for valine, and ashamed A for alanine. Okay, I hope you can understand, you can memorize their name very easily by remembering this mnemonics. My girl is very ashamed. Okay, and now we move next. Polar uncharged R group. Polar uncharged R group mean कि उसके ऊपर ना तो कोई पॉजिटिव चार्ज होगा ना कोई नेगेटिव चार्ज होगा. So we also memorize their name in the form of mnemonics. So let's start. Gap से throw कर. Okay, you enjoying? Gap से throw कर. So let's start. Gap, G for glutamine, A for asparagine, P for proline, Se for serine, throw, Th for threonine, and Cr for cysteine. Okay, so now we will discuss about the polarity. As we have already discussed about the polarity of these amino acids can make hydrogen bond from this side with water. So we called it these amino acids are polar. You are understanding? Because they can make hydrogen bond from this OH group with water Therefore, we call them that they are water loving. Okay, and move next. Aromatic R group. Aromatic mean they contain 1, 2 or more benzene ring in their structure. So we also memorize them in the form of mnemonics. Let's start. Physics tri-tire. Physics tri-tire. Okay, you are enjoying? Physics. P for phenylalanine. Tri, T for triosine, and tire for tryptophan. Okay, tri for tryptophan. Okay, and then we will discuss positively charged R group. Positively charged R group. We will also memorize them in the form of mnemonics. Ali himself is lying. Ali खुद से झूठ बोल रहा है. Ali himself is lying. Ali, A for arginine, himself, histidine, and lying, lysines. So these amino acids contain positively charged R groups. Okay. Now move next. Negatively charged R group. These amino acids contain negatively charged R group as like aspartate and glutamate. Okay. Now we have a quick review of classification of amino acid on the basis of R group. We divide the amino acid, all the amino acid in 5 categories. Okay, on the basis of R group. So first of all, non-polar aliphatic R group. We memorize them by this mnemonics. My God is very ashamed. Okay, my mean methionine, God mean G for glycine, is isoleucine, V valine, ashamed, A for alanine. And then we move next. Gap se throw curve. Okay, gap G glutamine, A asparagine, P proline, say serine, throw threonine. Okay, and then we move next. Aromatic R group. Physics tri-tire. Okay, physics phenylalanine, tri tryptophan, tire triosine. Okay, and then positively charged R group. Ali himself is lying. Ali arginine, himself, histidine, lysine. And then negatively charged R group, which contain negatively charged R group, are aspartate and glutamate. So hopefully today you enjoy my lecture and you can easily memorize this lecture in the form of mnemonics. So okay, Allah Hafiz.